A Christmas charity show was held at Sheraton Hotel in Beijing's Haidian district by Bethel Training Center on December the 11th, where blind children from Bethel and volunteers performed the classic A Christmas Carol and Charter Woman. The Bethel Choir also performed classic Christmas songs such as Jingle Bells and Shining House for the audience.
The meaning of this event was we hopefully could express to everyone in the audience the true spirit of Christmas, especially through these children's lives, that they could be so happy and that they're so capable and they're also so giving and generous in their hearts. We hope that we could really express this message of Christmas to a lot of people in the audience who perhaps have never celebrated Christmas before.
Committed to foster care, education and vocational training for blind children and vision-impaired orphans, Bethel is an institution established by the French couple Guillaume and Delphine Gouvin. The blind children had a rare opportunity to participate in this annual charity performance, where they met with supporters, made new friends, and enjoyed the festive atmosphere.